Hi everyone, welcome to O'Rourke's Little Field. It didn't come off. It's Saturday morning and Kevin and I are off on a top secret mission. We can't tell y'all about it, what it is, but we're helping somebody with something that she's helping somebody with. So eventually, beans will be spilled on what it is. Well, I'm down to the barn again to see how good this wood is for making some benches. The friend that I'm helping out, who's helping out a friend, I told him I'd build some benches, but I also need them for my store when I open it, or well, not my store, but when I have my garage sales, I want people to have a place to sit down while they wait on their wives to shop my stuff I gather. Yep. This is the wood I'm taking. Believe it's oak decking. I'm not real sure. Ooh, that's not good.
I love old trucks. Yeah, we do. This one ain't old enough for me. I want a real old truck. I want no 80-something truck. I was having children in the 80s. I need something older.
We're gonna build 8 benches, and we're gonna do a test trial on one I think we're gonna really like. My goal is to do eventually stacking benches. I'm gonna, paint them real chippy, layer paint, stain, oil. The thing I do, I love doing it. And I'm really excited about building these because we need them. I need some on my deck and I need some on the cabin porch. But if this design works out for us, I want to try to build them to sell. Love the new saw Kevin got from me. Watch your fingers. DeWalt reciprocating saw, 12-inch blade. All I ever had was a 10-inch miter. And that's really, really sweet. Easy to adjust and move and set. Oh, love it. So what are you cutting?
This is gonna be the box.
It's going to be the box. What are you cutting, though? How long?
Oh, 57 inches.
After we put one bench together, then we will just, I'll cut all of the top boards and I'll cut all of the bottom boards. I'll just do, move the saw one time for each cut. That's how I like to do it. So that way we can just lay them out and get onto that Craig miter box. Or, yeah. I can't operate any machinery today. I had, what do they call it? Block test done on my neck. It's the second one. They have to do it twice to make sure they've got the right nerve. And then they'll go in there and burn it. Oh. What is going on?
Somebody's telling somebody something.
Look at that, just sore. I saw that one go back into the woods over this way. So it's got to be nesting, and it's probably trying to encourage young to come out. That's what the bird whisperer Jamie says. It's funny, all the metal 18-inch rulers and stuff we have around here, and the little short straight edges and stuff, and we're using a piece of wood.
Yeah.
That's pretty sad.
Yeah, we got plenty of
we
space.
gotta unpack the storage sheds, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be winter. Now that Kevin has all of the pieces to our bench together, as you well know, some of these corners can be pretty rough sometimes, and you really don't want to, like here, you don't want to cut your finger, because you can cut your finger like a razor blade. So round it off. The saw blade was really rough. We're going to knock all of that off. So here we go.
Mr. Beast, I made a note for you, and I can't tell you. You have to read it, and also don't forget to find the way that I have a note that says what's inside the like button, the subscribe button, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Let me see the picture again. Hold it up good with the like together, with the thumbs up. Look at that.
Now
okay, and now open it. And go slow. Look at that, Mr. Beast. Harrison is a big fan, and he says thanks for making the shows. And like and subscribe. So it's going to be, the boards go here on the outside. Okay, can you bring it over here? Lay one over here. I got to visually see it to see where I'm going to drill. So I'll drill this, that, and same thing here. There, there, and there. Correct?
Except on this one, I would go 2 on this side and then 2 on that side, opposite sides.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes, remind me. Kevin had to go to work today, and we got this almost completely assembled, and we had trouble with not having a short enough shank for your screws to fit into a tight area. But we did get this built, not one screw showing, and it is so strong, and it's so heavy. I need Kevin to help me pick it up. I got it down. But 7 more to go. Little things that y'all don't know about us.
Jamie made an anniversary video last year, and she said we were married 33 years. We were only married 32 years. It'll be 33 years this year.
Kevin, how many years did you bowl? 33? We live in for the 2024 total solar eclipse. We live in the path of totality. We're excited because NASA is actually coming to the town that's 20 miles from us.